that. Okay, so I am here. Sorry, in the beginning, technology fails us. So we are going to go over the several ways you can earn passive income. Okay, this is money you make while you sleep, while you're away from your computer, while you're away from your phone. This is how you can make profits while passively while you are sleeping. And this is the most ideal way to make money. Making money while you sleep, making money while you're away from your phone, while you're away from your computer. And I'm going to show you the methods that our students are using. And some of the students are kind enough, they're going to share some of their accounts, live accounts. So stay put, stay up to the end of this training. You're going to see some of their live accounts and what some of them are doing. Some of them are spanking new students who just joined our masterclass, and courtesy to them, we are going to show you this. And we have students from all over the world in the Smart Wolf Club. If you're not yet a member of the Smart Wolf Club, please go and join the Smart Wolf Club. Okay, go and join the Smart Wolf Club. I can just show you where to join. I'm going to share my screen in a minute and I will show you where to go and join because some of you are already asking how do we join the master classes. I can see that on the private chats that has been set up for you guys, and I can see what is going on there. Let me just make sure. Just give me a minute here. I'm trying to share their screens. So hopefully this technology cooperates. When you're streaming and doing a live stream at the same time trying to share several screens, it really slows the internet. So, and I'm in an area where the internet is extremely slow. So just bear with me here. I'm trying to get these lives going. Let's see if we can find that. And I'm going to try to bring it up for you guys. And let's share the screen now. Share screen. So I'm going to become small. We're going to share the entire screen. And voila. I think now you can see the screen. So if you go below this video, for those of you who are watching the replay, for those of you who are watching live, you see where it says click the link below to join the Smart Wolf Club. Yeah, you click that link. Okay. So if you click that link, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. And all you need is your name and your email address, and you can join the masterclasses. Okay. And you can pick whatever masterclass you want to go through. We have crypto trading masterclass, stocks trading masterclass, digital marketing masterclass. We have options trading masterclass. And of course, there are some of you who want to learn just the fundamentals of financial fundamentals and just learning about the new markets, okay, financial markets. So you can join all those. They're available in the Smart Wolf Club. So today we have a bunch of students from all over the world who are going through our crypto trading masterclass. And courtesy to some of the students, we are here presenting this for free to the public so that we can help our brothers and sisters take advantage of this crypto bull run. You guys, if you've been watching some of your social media feeds and advertisements and topics and discussions, all they're doing is talking about the Bitcoin, how far the Bitcoin is going, and we're going to review that, and then we're going to quickly jump into ways that you can take advantage of that, how you can earn passively, without having to spend a lot of time glued to your computer analyzing charts and risking and taking trades. You can outsource that and have somebody else do that, worry about that. And this somebody could be AI, artificial intelligence, bots that can trade on your behalf with no emotions, or you can actually copy expert traders, pro traders who are literally taking trades in their accounts, and you can mimic their trades. You can literally copy their trades automatically in your own accounts. Okay. Now, before we continue further, I'm going to bring up a disclaimer, which is very, very important because when you talk about creating or generating money and stuff like that, some people go crazy and they forget common sense. They throw away what we call common sense. So, disclaimer, what you're about to watch is not financial or investment advice. What you're about to watch or hear from us is not financial or investment advice. This is also not a get rich quick scheme, but highly risky. The views presented are for entertainment and educational purposes only. Seek professional advice if necessary. So, guys, whatever you're going to do here is very risky. Anything to do with online investments, crypto, forex, stocks, options is very risky. Digital marketing, you can lose your entire investment. Any business that you start, you can lose your investment. They say 95 to 97% of the businesses that get started either close or go bankrupt. It doesn't matter. 1 year, 2 years later, they all close. Only a small percentage. And the same thing here. 95 to 97% of the people who get into the crypto world, this time they are going to lose their money. Only a small fraction that's going to make money. Okay. So you have to be very smart in terms of what you do. And that's why we ask you to join the Smart Wolf Club so you can learn some of the tips and tricks that you can use to take advantage of the market. So right now, we are going to look at the charts. For example, let me move this, put this guy aside here. Okay, there we go. So we are looking at Bitcoin at the moment. You can see this is a TradingView chart. And if you don't have a TradingView account, you can simply go below this. I think we have put it there right here. Here's a link. It's an affiliate link. You can use that. You can get a free account. Okay. And if you need some of the pro, you can use pro features. You can subscribe. Okay. So you just click that link and it's going to take you into TradingView where you can sign up. Okay. So you can go and sign up right there. These are the paid ones. Okay, the paid ones, and you can also sign up for free. Just need your name and your email address. Okay. All right. So that takes care of that. And so right now, let's go back to. So this is the training that we have right now, and you can go below that and you can learn how to earn passively income crypto using passive methods. Okay. So why am I bringing up the price of Bitcoin? It's very important that you appreciate what time of the year, the season, the period we are in right now. In the crypto world, you can see Bitcoin is pumping, pumping, pumping. And if you go to Twitter, you can see exactly what all these Twitter crypto gurus are saying. If you go to Twitter, which was formerly Twitter and now it's known as X, if you come here and just ask, search Bitcoin, you can see what is going on. Just hold on, guys. You can see what is going on right now. You can see Bitcoin is over 90K. One Bitcoin is at least 91,850. And I see somebody here says, Mr. Crypto Well, I promised if Bitcoin pumps to 93,000, I will give another 10,000 BTC to 5 people. Now, this could just be somebody messing around, okay? But the idea you can see is there's a lot of talking about Bitcoin, a lot of Bitcoin. You can see here the lady of crypto. These are some of the crypto gurus that have been sharing information about crypto. You can see here, today I break down what Trump means for crypto, how high this bull run could go, and my plan for this run live in 1 hour. Okay, so somebody is going to share something about that in live 1 hour. Okay, so you can see some of these. Now, you can see the kind of followers these people have. You can see, let's see how many followers she has. Okay, so in the crypto world, you gotta be careful who you're following. Okay, there's a bit scammers ones and there's real ones. So the best thing you can do is to do your own quick research. Okay, so if you see like large numbers of people subscribing to some of them, you can look at them. You know, you can see like this one has almost a million subscribers. Okay, so this guy has a huge following here. Okay, so you can see this person has almost a million followers. Okay, so let's see what he's saying. There is possibility of one last checkout with, this was way back in October. Okay, so yeah, I don't think he has posted anything recently. That was pinned way back in July. That is the time when Bitcoin was just ranging, okay? Because in March it had gone up. You can see here in July, if you guys go to, this is the 4 hourly, let's go to the weekly, and you can see, yeah, August. Let's go to the chart and you can see, let's see the prices of Bitcoin. So each candle here represents 1 week. So right now we can see we are in some of the highest bull run we've seen, some of the largest candles we have ever seen. Look, this was a massive bullish move here. Bull run means going up. Okay, so the price of Bitcoin really shot from like 70. Let's see here. Just if you go down here in July, you can see Bitcoin was down here. You can see here when you bring the cursor here, you can see on your left hand side, you can see the price. So every time I bring the cursor here, you can see this was 54,000, and look at where it is right now, 91,000. That was in August. So just in August alone, if for example you had bought one Bitcoin, okay, if you had that kind of money, bought one Bitcoin, let me close this up. It keeps beeping and distracting me. Just 1 second. There we go. Okay, see, so it was like 54,000, okay? One Bitcoin. Just here in August, July. And now it's 91,000, okay? So this is one of the passive methods that we've talked about many, many times. But this is not what I want you guys to learn today. We've already talked about this in our previous training. We were calling it the dead brain strategy, okay? So there are many methods of earning passive profits in the crypto world. And I'm going to bring this chart here. We're going to use our free board again. So there are many methods in which you can earn methods. We call them the passive profit methods. Crypto passive methods, okay? So this is the crypto passive methods. Number one, the dead brain strategy. We're going to exhaust this today. And if any one of you has a question about the dead brain strategy, let me know. All the students who are on here, has anybody? I think most of our students by now, they have all perfected the dead brain strategy. Dead brain strategy. This is passive. Okay. Now, the word passive sometimes is relative because let's be honest, there's nothing really 100% passive because you have to take some steps in the beginning, okay? Like, for example, you have to know how to buy your crypto because for you to start earning that passive profits, you have first of all be able to get your credit card or your debit card or your bank account and buy the crypto. So the dead brain strategy is a passive method. It doesn't require any quantum physics or calculus 4 or 5 or rocket science mathematics. It is very dead brain. It's simple. Anybody 16-year-old, 99-year-old, they can do this. All you have to do is, I'm sorry guys, there's an app here that's causing chaos. Just a moment. Let me just shut it down. There we go. Okay, so buy your crypto and then hold. So this one uses the very old traditional way of trading. Traditional. It's a old and traditional way of trading. It's the oldest method there. This is where you buy low, and sell high. Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. Does anybody not know how to do this? Is there anybody out there who doesn't know how to do this? It doesn't matter whether you're in crypto, stocks, forex, options. It's you buy low, you sell high. Whether you're selling corn, gold, silver, this one has been effected many, and perfected for over centuries. It's the old or traditional way of trading. Okay. You go out to the market and you go in and buy something at a low price and you turn around, hold it for a couple of days, couple of hours, couple of minutes, sometimes seconds. In the crypto world, it could be a second or a minute. You can get in, buy a coin, like a meme coin, pump it up in seconds, in 1 minute, and sell it at the highest level possible and bank the profit. It could be a 1 minute transaction, seconds sometimes, hours, days, months, years, it doesn't matter. Okay. So it's called a dead brain strategy. This is what we call it in the Smart Wolf Club. Okay. And this is the first thing all our students learn. Now, does anybody among the students here, does anybody have a problem with this? Is there anybody who doesn't know how to buy crypto, where to buy crypto, and how to buy crypto? Where and how? Let me see if there's anybody who doesn't know how to buy crypto, where to find the crypto and buy it, and how to buy the crypto. Let me know. Where and how. If you're having a problem with where and how, let me know. We have students from all over the world. We have students from countries where they live under $1 per day, and we have students who come from countries where you need at least $1,000 a day to survive. So we see all of it. In the background, we see all kinds of students. And our coaches are from all over the world. We have Tajimoto on here from Tokyo, Japan. He's been in the Smart Wolf Club for over 15 years. We have Mr. Singh from Bombay, India. He's been in the Smart Wolf for over 17 years. Mr. Scott from London, UK, over 17 years. Anne Marie from New York, New York, over 15 years. Mr. Baker from Atlanta, Georgia, over 15 years. We have, guys, just a second. I can't seem to shake off this app. Maybe I turn off my phone. Hold on, guys. Yep, power off for now. Okay, I'm powered off, guys. I'm out of the grid. I've dropped out of the planet. Nobody can reach me. Nobody can find me unless only you guys who are here now. You're gonna get 100% of my attention. So ask your questions right now. We are live, guys. We are live. I can see some of you are saying, "Am I robotic?" No, I'm not. I'm live, and you can see I'm actually sipping some water. Mm, that's me. I'm alive and I'm live. Okay, this is a live presentation. So, guys, we have exhausted the first method, which is the dead brain strategy. But I'm asking questions. Are there people here on this live who don't know how to buy crypto and where to buy their crypto and how to buy their crypto? It doesn't matter where you come from because we have students from all over the world. I was just mentioning some of our coaches. They have big groups of students following. India, Mr. Singh from Bombay, India, on here. Tajimoto, Tokyo. Malemala from Cape Town, South Africa. Over 15 years in the Smart Wolf Club. Rodriguez from Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Over 15 years. Jose from Sacramento, California. Over 15 years. Carinsas, she's from Berlin, Germany. Over 15 years. Marcelina from Spain, Madrid, Spain. Over 15 years. Josephine from Sydney, Australia, over 12 years doing this stuff in the Smart Wolf Club. Some of us have been online since 1998. Some of our coaches have been online since 1998. Wuhan from Singapore. She's been with us for over 15 years. Anything to do with digital marketing, online trading, whether it's trading stocks, crypto, forex, options. These guys have been doing it for many years and they are ready to share the experience with all the students. So, guys, if you have any questions, please let me know, okay, before we move to the next strategy of passive, how to earn passive profits. Now, you can use this dead brain strategy. It doesn't require much effort other than just you knowing where to buy, how to buy, and when to buy your crypto. Okay. Now, when I talk about crypto, I talk about so many things. Under crypto, we have the big boy of all the cryptos is the Bitcoin, because in 2009, whatever his name, Satoshi Nakamoto, Nakamoto, Tajimoto is on here from Tokyo, Japan. He's probably can relate with that. Yeah, I can see is winking, winking. Satoshi Nakamoto, the Bitcoin, elusive Bitcoin originator. This is the guy who invented the Bitcoin, okay? And we don't know who he is. I don't know. I've never met him. I've never seen his picture. We probably never know who he is. But a lot of speculations out there. Anyway, Bitcoin, so BTC, 2009. And what is Bitcoin really? Because some people are asking. Some people up to today they still don't understand what Bitcoin is. Bitcoin is it's what we call electronic. It's electronic currencies. Okay, digital currency. It's a digital currency. It's just a piece of code. Okay, code that has been put together with several instructions that allow us to transact. Okay. So for example, if you spend, let's say you convert your $10 to Bitcoin, basically you're giving a set of instructions to this particular code on the blockchain that allows you to claim a part of that digital currency. So this would be assigned to you on a special code on the blockchain, and that's like now becomes your Bitcoin. Okay. And you have access to it. You can do whatever you want with that Bitcoin. You can take it from one crypto exchange to another using the blockchain. So you can transfer it from and right now you can use that to pay for services. Okay, some places they are already accepting Bitcoin. For those of you like in the United States, some of our students are in the United States. You can go to Coinbase. Okay, go to Coinbase. We have a link below here where it says where to buy your crypto. You can go to Coinbase here, and if you buy your crypto, if you sign up for Coinbase, I think they do give you freebies. Right now, they're giving a lot of free cryptos. Okay, so you can use that link, or you can go to crypto.com. Now, this is actually you can all these have mobile apps. You can check in your app store and download the apps and sign up, and you can hook up your debit card or credit card, and you can start buying your crypto. You can actually buy your Bitcoin. You see, like here, if you use that link, it says get up to 10%, $10 free Bitcoin. Now, this changes all the time. This is our affiliate link. If you use our affiliate link, you don't lose anything. You actually get $10 free bonus. Now, some of the exchanges like Bybit, I'm going to put the links below here. They actually have massive competitions going on. For those of you who are trading, you can open accounts like Bybit, and you can be entered to win so much money, thousands of dollars. Okay, um, and you can see there's so many resources I've tried my best to put as many as I can here, many of those for you guys. But basically, what I'm saying is you can apply this dead brain strategy. So basically, what you do is like some of our students did in August. We're calling it dead brain strategy. Basically, it's buy and hold. Buy low and hold. Okay, so the key here is to buy low. Buy low and hold to sell high. So the idea is to buy low. Okay, so you enter early, you go in early, so you buy it at a low price and hold so that you can sell at a higher price. Okay, so you're going to enter low. Let's say you enter there where it is low, okay, down here, and then you sell when it is high, up there. So you enter low, you enter, so let's say this is Bitcoin. Goes up like that, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up, and comes down, goes up, comes down. Let's say that's Bitcoin. So you enter here. So let's say this is the price. This is time. Down here is time, and up here is the price. So it's time versus price versus time. So here we have, let's say this was 54K. Let's say this is 90K there. Let's say this is 50K. So some students got in here, okay? They bought Bitcoin while it's down there. So this is BTC. And that was in the months of July. And now we are in November. So some students bought Bitcoin when it was at 50K and they held it, okay? So they held it until now it's about 90K and they could sell there. Some people have actually sold. So if you bought, let's say, just one Bitcoin, one BTC, and let's say you paid 54,000 for it, okay, that's a lot of money. So I'm not suggesting that a lot of students did that. Not many. I know a few who did that in our group, but a lot of students did buy Bitcoin. It doesn't matter. You can buy fractional Bitcoin. We have students who bought $10 worth of Bitcoin, but their $10 has increased by a percentage that we're going to find out right now. So 54 to 90K, that means you are literally, if you sold at 90K, so 90K minus 54K, that's already, what is that, 36K, okay? So in just a few months, so let's say if you had 50,000 lying around in your account and you decided to take the risk, because it's risky business, okay? You could lose your entire investment. And that's why we say only risk money that you can afford. So we do have students in here who are professionals who have bought loads of money. They can, 50,000 is nothing, okay, for some of them. It's like literally they can afford to lose it. So they risk that. They bought Bitcoin at 50K. And that was in July. 4 months later, they sell the Bitcoin for a profit of 36,000. So how much profit did they make? So it will be 36 over 54 times 100, and that should give you a percentage of how much profit you made. So divide that by, okay, let's see. We're trying to find this. You can use a calculator. Let's bring a calculator. Everything is free. You don't need money here. You don't need your credit card. Put your credit card away. So it's 36 divided by 54, which was the base, the starting price. That multiplied by 100. So you see, it was a 66.6% gain, okay? In 4 months, 66.66%. Okay, you can put 67 here because of the rounding figure. So look, this asset grew by 66.6. You can only find such growth, I think, only in the crypto world, my friend. If there's any other place you can find this, let me know, guys. It's only in cryptocurrency where we see things like this, returns like this. In 4 months, your asset grows by 66.6%. You can hardly find that anywhere. It's probably only in the crypto market. Okay. So the gains are just crazy in the crypto market. Crazy, crazy gains. And if you go to historical the history of Bitcoin, you guys can see that. You can see that. Look at this was September 2017. Look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin was down here, 4,000. 2017, 4,000 you could get a Bitcoin. Now it's 90,000. Guys, if you want to calculate the gain in that, it is ridiculous, okay? You're talking about 4,000, 90,000. For us to find even a percentage, it's just going to be ridiculous. 90,000 minus 4,000. 90,000 minus 4,000. Guys, you know what percentage gain that is? 90,000 minus 4,000, that is 86,000. So 86,000 divided by 4,000 times 100. 2,150% gain. 2,150% gain in 4 years. I mean, how many? 7 years. Now, those of you who have been in the financial markets, those of you who have even invested any money in any, whether in metals, whether in stocks, I really want to see if there's anybody who's seen such type of gains, literally thousands percentages of gains. To 2150, 2150, just an estimation from, this is from July, this is from 2017, September 2017 to today, where it's at 90,000. If you had just bought your Bitcoin at 4,000 and held it for 7 years, okay, 7 years, you would have gained this type of gain. This is what you would be reporting on your balance sheet, this type of a number, percentage gain. It is massive, guys, okay? Let's be honest. This is massive. So the opportunity is there, and that's why I'm spending time to discuss this, okay? Right. So that is a dead brain strategy right there. So now, is anybody having a difficulty where to buy crypto? There shouldn't be no difficulty. You can go to Coinbase and buy your Bitcoin, okay, using your credit card or debit card. You can go to Cash App. Cash App now, you can buy your Bitcoin from Cash App. Robinhood, all those apps, you can go and buy your Bitcoin, okay? So if you want to apply this strategy, the dead brain strategy, where you just buy low and hold, there you go. So what are the prospects? What are people saying about the price of Bitcoin? Let's go back to Twitter and let's look at the price of Bitcoin. We can just search here. Price of Bitcoin predictions. Predictions. English is not my first language, guys, so sometimes I cannot spell. Okay, it looks like a triple top to me. The chart is even worse if you price Bitcoin at a minimum. Bitcoin is headed to the upward trend line at about, for this was long time ago. Okay, this was way back in September. We want to look for the current latest. Okay, let's look at the latest. Its price could rise. No, 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 we don't want that. Ripple here, they're talking about Ripple. Ripple is XRP, which is one of the tokens, altcoins that hasn't done very well lately, and it is lagging behind. So somebody is saying here, if they could just match Bitcoin's market cap, then the price would be $5. Right now, the price is in the cents. I think it is like 0.7. It's like 7 cents. Okay, the price of Ripple XRP. So you can imagine if you hold XRP at 7 cents and then it goes to $5, you'll be smiling all the way to the bank. But they're targeting 10%. Okay, you can see they're talking all about this stuff. So you can find what these guys are saying. Our algorithms predict major leaps, sizing up Bitcoin to a whopping 90,000. Okay, this was 1 hour ago. Contemporary trading, okay, which is already there. So this is been beaten by the times. The times Bitcoin is already at 91. 200. You can see already it's forming a resistance at 91. Went past that resistance. So this is now acting as a support for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is bound to go even higher, looking at what is going on in the market, okay? And they're talking about many other coins, okay? Bitcoin might soar to 90K, yep, within the next 30 minutes, okay? It's already over there. You can go further, and see what they're saying. Okay, somebody's talking about Bitcoin's roadmap to a million starts playing out. Here is the rest of the prediction, okay? Somebody is very, very optimistic over there about the price of Bitcoin, okay? You can see what's going on here. Now they're comparing that in other currencies, Euro 86,000, 72 in GBP. So depending on where you guys are coming from, you can look at the price of Bitcoin that way. You can see the magic of Bitcoin. Somebody has even broken it down for you. 1st January 2016, the price of Bitcoin was that 434. At some point, you could get that price. Look at that today. Yeah. So this was somebody who was predicting that Bitcoin would get to 91,000 in the last 20 hours, and we are actually there. You can see Bitcoin is at right there, 93.48. It had actually gone up there. It was at 94. Look at that. You can see the tall. If we go back to the 4 hourly chart, you can see what somebody's prediction was. There we go. Okay. So guys, I think that's enough for the first method of earning passive income, which is the dead brain. Okay, the dead brain strategy. All you have to do, the only homework here is for you to find out how you can buy Bitcoin. And I've given you many places where you can buy your Bitcoin from the exchanges. Okay, and we have listed some of them below here, depending on where you come from. Those of you who are in the US, you can use Coinbase, Crypto.com, or you can use even some of the apps like Robinhood, Cash App. They allow you to buy a crypto. All you need is your bank account and your debit card. Okay. And now, for those of you from the rest of the world, you can use many other exchanges like KuCoin, Binance. Uh, well, for those in the US, you can sign up for Binance US. I don't think you can sign up for KuCoin. It's not available in the US, but they're available in many other countries. And there are many, many, many places you can go. Bybit, okay? You can go to Bybit, BitGet, okay? Bybit. I'm going to put the links in the description for you guys. Just check BitGet. There are many. Bluffing. Now, something about bluffing. Bluffing does not require KYC. Okay, KYC means the Bybit and BitGet they may require KYC, so you may have to submit a copy of your driver license to them, upload that while you're opening your account, signing up. But they do give you a lot of bonuses here, especially if you're going to go into the trading platform. If you're going to trade even $100, you're entered into competitions where you can win many, many cars, Ferraris, 50,000 worth of Bitcoin, 50,000 US dollars worth of Bitcoin. You'll be entered there. So why not take that chance if you're gonna buy your Bitcoin anyway? BitGet the same. They got a lot of competitions going on, so you can go and check out the bluffing. You don't need no KYC required. We have get.io. Okay, get.io. We have CoinW. Now this may need KYC. This may also need KYC. Okay. CoinW, just like the word says, CoinW, get.io, Bluffin, BitGet, Bybit, and many, many others. Okay, so I just mentioned a few. There's KuCoin, there's Bluffin, there is now for those in the US, again, you may use Coinbase. Coinbase is publicly traded actually, so you can actually buy Coinbase stock. That's another way of earning passively. I do know some of you are afraid of going into mainstream crypto, buying Bitcoins, but you can take advantage of the crypto market as it is pumping right now. You guys can see that the Coinbase stock is also going up. Okay. A few months ago, it was at 180. I think now it's at 200 and something. We can check that right now. Let's go back here on TradingView. And if you go to stocks and you just type Coinbase, you can see the Coinbase stock is known as coin, COIN. That is the symbol. And you can see it is, yeah, I think it is over 300 now. Look, it's at 306. Just a few months ago, in September, you can see it was down here at 145. Again, these are the things I'm talking about. So in September, the Coinbase, which is called Coin, COIN, listed on the New York Stock Exchange. So this is a backdoor entry into the crypto world. For those of you who are scared, who are still afraid of being seen to trade bitcoins and the brothers and sisters and the like coins, you can have a backdoor entry into the crypto world. You can participate in the crypto world by buying things like this, stocks that are affected by crypto. For example, the Coinbase, which is a crypto platform exchange, you can trade, which is publicly traded in the US, and you can, and it is listed in the New York Stock Exchange. You can buy their stock. Okay. You can instruct whoever your professional investor is to buy that sum for you if you want to participate in the crypto world. So right now during the pump, you guys can see what is the stock is doing. It's crazy. Look, in September it was at 147. Right now, look, today it is at 306. September 147, buy low, sell high. You bought it at 146, you sold it at 306. You literally doubled your investment. So if you had put even $1,000, you'd be comfortably sitting at $2,000 and with $1,000 profit, more than $1,000. I'm just giving you, uh, and that is within what? 3 months, 2 months, literally 2 months, you'd have doubled your income. Where does that happen? Only in the crypto world, guys. Another way you can participate in the crypto world and passive income and passive income. This is the backdoor method. That is number two. Number one was the dead brain, which we exhausted. Number two is the backdoor method. We call it the backdoor method in our Smart Wolf Club. This is for people who are scared. That's the word I use, scared to deal directly with crypto. These are people who are afraid to go and actually put their money on Bitcoin directly, or on Ethereum, or on Aave, or on Avalanche, or on IVAX, or on Ton, or on Pepe, or on Dogecoin. They're afraid to literally, they cannot see themselves buying any of those coins. They're afraid, they're scared, they don't believe in that, but somehow they still want to participate in the crypto world. You want to participate in the crypto world and gain the profits, then you can trade the companies that are behind this crypto. For example, Coinbase has a stock which is traded on the NNYC. And then now the very interesting part is we have ETFs, okay? Bitcoin ETFs were approved this year. 10 of them were approved in the US. Bitcoin ETFs. ETFs are electronic traded funds. Bitcoin, BTC ETFs. Companies like Fidelity, okay, who is a big manager, BlackRock, they all have ETFs that were approved. There are many. There are 10 of them. You can Google them if you really don't know them. They're there. I'm not going to spend a lot of time to, okay, we can just call them Bitcoin ETFs and you can see them listed here. They're right here, okay? Grayscale, Van Easy, Bitcoin, ProShares, they have Franklin, Bitwise, Wisdom Tree, all these massive companies. They have ETFs that you guys can, BlackRock is right here, okay? Fidelity is right here, okay? And I know a lot of retirement funds channeled through Fidelity, BlackRock. These guys are massive managers of people's retirement funds. So you can instruct your professional to look at these cryptocurrencies. So as Bitcoin price is going up, these massive gains on these ETFs, okay? Again, as we said, there is a massive disclaimer here. This is not financial investment advice. I like to remind people this. This is also not a get rich quick scheme. It is highly risky. Just like any other investment, you could lose your entire, because we don't control the markets, okay? I can show you right now that it is very high. I don't know what's going to happen the next minute, okay? Nobody knows that, okay? So again, when you're going into this, just know you're taking a massive risk, any of this, okay? So only go here with money that you know you can afford to lose, okay? Not something that you can't afford to lose, so you don't want to risk it. Okay, so again, you can see that we also have Ethereum ETF. Okay, other than Bitcoin, we have ETH, which has ETFs also. Okay, so if you don't like the sound of Bitcoin, you can go into Ethereum. And who is Ethereum? Ethereum, again, is one of the altcoins. If you go to CoinGecko, for example, this resource here, guys, I'm just sharing all the resources that you guys can use for free. If you look at Bitcoin, look at the market cap. It's 1.7 trillion. The second coin there is Ethereum, which is about 381 billion. That's the market cap. This is massive, guys. And then we have Solana, Sol. Probably a Sol ETF would be approved next year with a change of government in the US. Probably there could be more ETFs coming. Who knows? You can see that. Sol at 101 billion. Okay. Now, a lot of meme coins have come up under the Sol ecosystem. Okay. If you go to Dex Screener, you can see a lot of degens. Now, this is people who are going into the uh, rabbit hole of cryptocurrency. I do know some of you guys are so much into this. We have a lot of students in the crypto trading masterclass who are degens already. They are into meme coins and they are trading meme coins, and it's like gambling, the casinos. This is called the casino of the cryptocurrency, meme coins. Okay, so here you come, Solana, you choose Solana. You can see Dex Screener aggregates all the newer meme coins that are being traded right now. You can see all the ecosystems here. There is a Solana, Ethereum ecosystem, Arbitrum, Ton, Polygon, Avalanche, Sui, Optimism, Silo, Aptos. All of them are listed here. So everything literally that you can trade is listed here. Okay. So if you go to Solana, which we can see here is the third largest third third large. You can see how big Solana is right now. It's pumping, guys. This just a few, let's go 1 year ago. You could see Sol was down here, $58 per Solana. Last year, November last year, Solana was $58. Right now, one Sol is 215. Literally 4 times. So had you just put even $1,000, dead brain strategy, you put $1,000 and held it for a year, you'd be sitting comfortably sitting at $4,000. 3,000 profit. Just buying and holding. That's what I call it, the dead brain. That's a passive way of earning income. You may have to initially just pull the trigger, buy, go to the exchange and buy Solana. And where can you buy Solana? Very simple. If you don't know where to, go to CoinGecko, look for the coin that you want to buy. Okay, so for example, I come to CoinGecko and I want to buy a Sol. I'll click on Sol. Okay. We have students here who are saying, oh, okay, where do I buy it? No, you shouldn't be asking that question at this level of the training. You guys already know how to buy this stuff. Okay. You just go to a resource like CoinGecko, which is free. You don't even need to sign up. You can sign up if you like. Okay, right here, put your name and your email address. They'll be sending you promotions and stuff. So just Sol, there you go. And it tells you where to buy. And it even tells you what Sol is all about. Solana is a layer one blockchain that offers users fast speeds and affordable costs. It supports smart contracts. Okay. I don't want to go into the rabbit hole of what smart contracts are. And it facilitates this creation of decentralized applications, dApps. Okay. Projects built on Solana include a variety of DeFi platforms as well as NFT marketplaces where users can buy Solana-based NFT projects. It is high performance, means Solana doesn't require a traditional scaling layer 2 solution. Instead, layer 2s on Solana focus on interoperability and connecting Solana to other chains. Proof of stake, that is proof of history and also proof of stake. This ensures Solana achieves consensus more quickly while reducing the workload and solving the blockchain trilemma where developers have to balance decentralization, security, and scalability. So it does offer a lot of advantage to developers, people who want to develop apps based on the blockchain. Okay, so that is one of the uses. Now, who is the founder? Anatoly Yakovenko. You can see here is one of the founders of that stuff, teaming up with Raj Gokal, and there's a number of guys here. You can see these are serious, serious crypto lovers. Okay, so they're putting their hearts into this project, and you can see it is pumping. It has made millionaires overnight. Literally, from 1 year ago, somebody's made tons of money, 4 times their investment. You put $1,000, you're now sitting comfortably at $4,000. You put 100,000, you're at 400,000. You put 1 million, you're at 4 million. You put 500,000, you are at 2 million. You're a millionaire. Okay, so this is just one coin like that, and that is just using what we call the dead brain strategy: buy and hold and sell high, buy low, hold, and sell when it is high. Now, the only thing that can wreak havoc here is your greed levels. So you got to check your greed levels. Greed. So you don't have to be greedy. Once you make some profit, please take profit. Okay, this is what destroys most students: greed. You see it is pumping, pumping, and you're like, okay, come on, I'm not going to sell it now, I'm going to hold on to it. And then, boom, it tanks. It wipes your profits, plus it goes below your buying price. And you have to either hold it for as long, hoping that it will come back. But the best thing is to take profits as it goes up. Okay? As it goes up, you take your profit. Take your profit. You're always going to be profitable that way. Don't hold for too long for your dear life. So your greed, check your greed. Greed levels, very important. This is where most people lose money, and most of us lost money here because of greed levels. You hold on too long, and then the thing tanks, and you are left no profit. So greed levels. Okay. So we've talked about dead brain strategy where you just buy and hold. We have talked about the backdoor method. Okay, this is where, for those of you guys who are scared, the word is scared in quotes, you're scared to literally go to the market and buy crypto. You can use the backdoor method where you can trade the stocks of companies that are dealing directly with crypto. For example, I've given you an example of Coinbase, MicroStrategies. Okay, you can also go trade their stock. Okay, this is a publicly traded company, MicroStrategies. Let's see, here it is, MicroStrategy. It is MSTR. Again, you can see the stock is pumped. August, it was down here, guys, at 101, and now it is at 349, freaking 3.5 times. Guys, in August, if you had put just $1,000 on MSTR, you'd be sitting at 3,500 today. If you had put 10K, you'd be at 35K, guys. If you had put 100K, you'd be at 350,000 in 3 months. Guys, what type of return is that? Right now, it is at 340. This is MicroStrategy. Now, who is MicroStrategy? This is Michael Saylor and company. Okay, Michael Saylor, this is the guy who's probably bought the most Bitcoin at the moment. Every time you sell your Bitcoin, this guy probably buys that Bitcoin. He sucks it out of the market like in a heartbeat. He's pumped billions into Bitcoin because he believes in Bitcoin. He believes that Bitcoin is a store of value, and he's not done yet. His purchase probably moves the market. Okay, so these are the big crypto lovers, crypto houses. So some of you can go. So I already given you at least how many symbols? I gave you one. Keep an eye on that coin, which is Coinbase stock. Coinbase. Okay, and then we have MSTR, which is MicroStrategies. And MicroStrategies, if you guys Google this gentleman called Michael Saylor, he heads MicroStrategies. He has been buying all the Bitcoins that you guys are selling at the moment. Most likely, he's bought part of your Bitcoin. If you sell your Bitcoin, he probably buys some of it. Okay. Not only him, many other houses like BlackRock, all these invest, and then the ETFs. Okay, now and then the ETFs. So what you have to do as soon as you get off this live, give put a call to your investment professional or advisor, whoever is advising you, and tell them to look at this for you. If you are interested in a backdoor method entry to crypto. Okay. If you are afraid to buy and hold your own Bitcoins, if you're afraid to buy and hold your own Ethereum, if you're afraid to buy and hold your own Solana, you can talk to this. You can talk to your professionals and tell them, hey, I really want to participate in the crypto world as the bull run is going on, but I don't want to hold these directly. So then they can look at getting you into some of those crypto related stocks directly. Some of these stocks are directly affected by the price of crypto. Coinbase, for example. And how do you know that Coinbase stock is pumping? Look at the Coinbase app on the App Store. Look at the rating. When we started this a few months ago, they were like number 100 and something, 200 and something, 300 and something. And now they are in the top 20s. They're soon going to be in the top 10s. Okay, so that tells you many, many people are downloading the Coinbase app, and that means retail is getting into the market, and that is the time you gotta be careful. Okay, that's the time you gotta be careful. Okay, how you handle your crypto. Now, the third method that I really, really wanted to talk to you guys about is what we call the, I think this is like passive. Okay, this is like the most passive way of doing things. But not any different from the first one, the dead brain, not any different from the second one, the backdoor method. The third one is copy trading. Okay, copy trading. Now, when I hear copy trading, most people get scared. Okay, because you're actually copying somebody that you don't know. Okay, so you could be copy trading a bot, or you could be copy trading a real person. So now with the bot, you actually do what we call bot trading. So I'm going to put this as number 4. And that's what I'm going to focus my time on, bot trading. And I'm going to share with you guys one platform that you can go right there, right now, and start bot trading. And you don't have to be experienced. You are my students. I know most of you are beginners. You don't know how to trade. So this would serve you very, very easily. This is what we call earn while you earn. Sorry, earn while you learn. Learn. Guys, English is not my first language, so my pronunciation might not be sounding the way you guys understand it. Earn, like make money. Earn while you learn, like now you're learning. Okay. So this is what we use for most of our students when they come in and they are ready to pull the trigger. They have some money that they can afford to risk. We tell them, okay, fine. Do you want to risk this while you are learning? You'll be making a profit. And they say, yes. We say, all right, let's go. So here you go, guys. I have put a link below this where it says earn passive crypto profits. Copy trading pro traders using crypto bots in Mizar. Click here to start. Boom. You click that link, open your account. Okay. You got to do that today, guys. Don't procrastinate. Do that right away because of what's going on in the crypto world. Go ahead, open that account. Use my link. Okay. You're going to get some bonuses. Okay. That's my affiliate link. Open that account. Okay. Now, once you open that account, now, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Okay. Ask your questions. Those who are in the Smart Wolf Club, if you join the Smart Wolf Club right here, you just need your email and your name. Join the Smart Wolf Club. You have any questions, you can get hold of us. You can ask them. Some of you can ask in the social medias. Some of you are on Telegram. Go there. If you don't like Telegram, WhatsApp. If you don't like WhatsApp, you can subscribe to the channel, comment below. You can send us an email right here, info@Smart Wolf Club, and ask your question. If you need somebody to help you to set up your Mizar account, because I know some people cannot just see themselves doing this simple stuff. Okay, this is very simple. Just if you know how to read and write, or if you know how to open an email online, you can sign up for this. Okay, So once you come to, this is one of my students' account. So she's sharing the account right now. You can see the dashboard is right there, and it can show you what she's been doing in the last few weeks. Okay, you can see the last few weeks. This is on weekly. No, this is daily. Okay, this is a daily chart. So it shows you with a very small account, tiny, like tiny account, very small account. You can see what she's been able to do. Okay. P&L since the start. You can see since she started, she's already made over 3,000, almost 3,000, 2,916. This is passive. She said this once and went away, went for a vacation. She never does pull nothing. All she does is log in and check and just make sure everything is clicking and ticking and going on as planned. Okay. So this is very simple. And we teach this in our crypto trading masterclass. Okay, I told you guys you can get the masterclass. Okay, first name, your email address, join the masterclass, and you can go to the crypto trading masterclass. Okay, crypto trading masterclass. The crypto trading masterclass will reveal all these strategies that I'm telling you, and they dive deep. The coaches will dive deep into the details, okay? And they are very simple strategies. You don't need quantum physics, you don't need calculus 4, 5, or 3, or whatever you call it. You don't need physics 1, 2, and 3. You don't need chemistry 1, 2, and 3. You don't need to pass your organic chemistry, okay? You don't need to have English level 5. No, 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 no. This is bare bone, simple, basic, brain dead strategies. Okay. All you as long as you can open your emails and read your emails, you're good to go, man. You can scroll Instagram and watch all those funny cat videos, you're good to go. You know how to scroll your phone and watch funny cat videos and enjoy them too, you're good to go. That's how brain dead this stuff is. Okay. All right. So what are the three things that you have to do to be able to participate in a platform like this? Mizar is just one of. There are many out there. I'm just giving you an example. We have Mizar, okay, and there are many others where you can actually go and use this passive income way of generating. This is what some gurus are selling you guys for thousands of dollars. I know some people. There's a massive advertisement on YouTube that go every time you open your YouTube, you see these guys, they're calling them trading networks or some stuff like that, okay, where they tell you they're private, whatever. This is basically what they're doing, okay. They take your money and put it in a bot like this, and then every month they 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 present to you a profit. Okay, they show you how much profit you've made, and you pay them thousands of dollars to do that for you, which you can do yourself. Okay, but if you can't do it yourself, yes, get professionals, and that's why we have a disclaimer here that you may need to seek professional advice. Okay, so if you're not sure and it is risky. That's one thing you have to know. Whatever you give, whoever you give your money, just know it's risky. You can lose your money. I'm sure they make you sign a lot of disclaimers that you could lose your money, your entire investment. So that's important that you are aware of that. And we are all adults here. I cannot come here and tell you it is 100% guarantee. No, you could. We don't control the market. You guys can see right now the micro strategies talk. You can see, guys, it's at 334. This is exactly what it is in the market. I'm not coming up cooking these figures. I'm not telling you anything different than what you can find out there for yourselves. It is 340. It was 100 in August. Actually, to be exact, August the 5th, 2024 at 9:30 a.m. It was 104.13, $104.13. The MicroStrategy MSRT, that is the symbol. Let me just clear this and write the symbols for you. MSRT is the MicroStrategy stock, MSRT. Then we have the Coinbase stock, which is called, the symbol is coin. So if you guys are going to your apps, Robinhood, some of you are using Webull, and you want to buy these stocks for yourself, you can go ahead and buy those using, these are their symbols right there. And then, of course, those of you who are using investment houses, you can participate in the ETFs. We have the Bitcoin ETFs and we have the Ethereum ETFs. Okay. So this is the backdoor method. Okay. You're not directly buying the crypto, but you're trading crypto in an indirect way. Okay. So we call it the backdoor method of passive income on cryptocurrency markets. Okay. And we teach this to our students all day long. Okay. Because we have students who are extremely busy. Some of our students are professionals, they're doctors, nurses, tree surgeons, some of our masons, landscapers, carpenters. We have all stay home moms, stay home dad, travelers. Okay. We have nomads, digital nomads, people who just don't want to be tied to one place. They are too busy. They love what they do. They don't have time for this. So what they do is they simply outsource this to their fund managers, to their professional financial advisors, and they tell them, okay, I want to participate in the crypto world, but I don't want to be exposed to Bitcoin directly or Ethereum directly or Solana directly. How can I get in? This is the backdoor method. Okay. MicroStrategies is buying gazillions of Bitcoin. Okay. The stock is pumped. You guys can see it has pumped so high. Okay. So if you had entered here in August the 5th and you sold today, November, you would be 3.5 times your money. Okay. So if you had put a $10, you'd be at $35. If you had put $100, you'd be at 350. If you had put 3,000, you'd be at, I mean, if you had put 10,000, you'd be at 35,000 in less than two 2 months, 3 months, excuse me. In 3 months, guys, you'd make a year's salary. Some people make 35,000 a year, not many. Okay. Very few people make that kind of money. $35,000 a year is very few people make that. Most people make less than that. Okay. So you could have made that very easily by just taking part this. All right, guys. So that is one method. And now the other one that we are talking about is the bot trading. This is interesting because we are using AI. I know. You guys are getting sick and nauseated when you hear AI. It's called artificial intelligence. Some people are scared of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI. So basically, what the bot does is it's a code. It's a code, right? It's a code that is put to the blockchain and it goes into, it's like a smart contract. It's a code that accesses your funds in an exchange. Okay. So you have your funds in an exchange. Let's say you have USDT. Okay. USDT. USDT is a stable coin, and you can look at it right here. Let's go back here. This is CoinGecko, guys. Okay. You see USDT, Tether. Tether is a stable coin. So one Tether is equivalent to $1. There are a few other stable coins. There's USDC. Again, is pegged to the price of $1. Okay. So we use this as a way to trade to get into the crypto world. So for example, if you have your $10, you can convert that into 10 USDT, and you can do that on Coinbase, for example. You put your debit card and buy 10 Tether. 10 Tether using your 10 US dollars. Okay, so you get 10 Tether, and now once you have that, you can now come to this platform, which I have told you guys to go ahead and open an account. I've put the link in the description. Mizar, get your free account there, and you're gonna put your exchanges right here. This is my student's account. You can go and create add an exchange. See where it says add an exchange? So you're gonna add an exchange. So let's say if your exchange is Coinbase. I don't see Coinbase here. Okay, but I do see others. Bitgate, OKX, Binance, KuCoin, Mexi. So if you have, let's say, your Tether USDT in Mexi, okay, so you can attach Mexi here using the API, okay. You just follow the steps. There are videos, short videos, show you exactly how to set your API, how to connect your exchange to Mizar. And once you do that, you come to the marketplace, okay, right there, and you're going to choose one of the bots. These bots are being managed by expert traders. Okay. So you are going to copy the trades from these expert traders. So this beautiful bot here, they are ranked on different ways, parameters, sorted by highest P&L from followers. You can choose that if you like that. They're trading futures. If you wanna the most popular one, you can see the most popular one. It's this one right here. If you want the highest returns, okay, you have a little bit of greed. Here we have Chesa number two, highest return 82% in the last 30 days. And I think that's what my student is using in this account here. Yeah, I think my student, yeah, you can see she's using that right there. You can see Chesa. Okay, this one, she opened this on 31/10/2024, like less than a month ago, 2 weeks ago, and already you can see closed P&L 686 on a very tiny account. You see free balance $172. Guys, look at that. This is massive, massive returns. Okay, so this is passive. She doesn't have to do anything. She doesn't have to analyze the charts. All she did was just go to Mizar and connect her exchange, and boom, let it do the trading for her. So she's copying this chaser here. She's copying this chaser, and you can see the breakdown. It shows you everything. Cumulated P&L in 1 week. You can see in 1 week, 393 in 1 week. And that is a very tiny account. So for some of you who have bought loads of money and you are willing to risk that money, this can mean a lot for some of you. You guys can be talking like massive numbers right here. This is a passive way. This is passive income. Now, is it guaranteed? It's not guaranteed. Some days you're going to lose. I know that. But just like with any other businesses out there, there's a risk element involved. And that's why we have this disclaimer. It is highly risky, just like with any other business. And the views we are presenting here are for entertainment and educational purposes only. If you are concerned, seek professional advice if necessary. Your advisors can tell you what to do. Now, if you need our help, you can join our master classes and we go ahead and show you what we are doing, and you can follow exactly what we are doing. We just share our views, okay? It's not professional advice, it's not financial advice, it's just what our students and our coaches are doing, okay? So, guys, do you have any questions, or we should end it here? As I had promised, did I keep all my promises? I told you we're going to share some of my students' accounts. There are many other students here who want to share their accounts, but I don't have the time. We can do that in the Smart Wolf Club. If you join the club, there are many students who want to share their accounts because some of them are extremely happy with what results they're getting from just copy trading. This is just one source of income. And then there is what those who are actually actively trading. Those who want to spend 1 hour or 2 hours a day just getting in the market and trading, because with crypto you can trade anytime. Okay, you can trade 24/7. It doesn't matter. So there's no excuse. Okay, you can trade at 4 a.m. when you wake up. You can trade at 3 a.m. You can trade at 10 a.m. You can trade at midnight. It does not matter. Crypto is 24/7. It's not like the stocks market where it's closed over the weekend. It's open. I know the Eastern Standard Time, 9:30 opens in New York. London opens at 4 different times. You know, for those of you who are different parts of the world, you may have to be waking up late at night to trade NYC, the New York market time. You know, stuff like that. So, but with crypto, it is 24/7, guys. Okay, so right there you can see. And if you want to learn how to trade crypto, okay, you join the our masterclass. Okay, you join our masterclass. So you can see here. Let's see. Let me go to BTC. Back to BTC USDT. Let's do BTC USDT. USDT, as I told you, is Tether, is a stable coin. So that is pegged into the dollar. One stable coin, I mean, one Tether equals to one USD. Okay. So you can use that to trade the markets. And you can see, guys, right now here, Bitcoin is at this level right here. It's at 91,000. And you can see here in October, we were down here, 67,000. That's already like a what, $24,000 gain in less than a month. Guys. Okay, that was number 3. So I'm gonna quickly mention number 4, and then we will continue with the rest of this next live, which will be tomorrow. So guys, please, If you don't want to miss our live tomorrow, just go ahead and subscribe to this channel, the Smart Wolf Club. We want to grow this channel, guys, to at least 5,000 before the end of the year. You guys can do it. If you all invite your friends, brothers, and sisters, if you invite all these people, we should grow this channel. The idea is the larger we grow this channel, the more people are going to get this information, and the more brothers and sisters we're going to help put bread on the table. That is the purpose of this channel, is to help everybody make money online while they sleep, while they wake up. One billionaire was asked and they said, if you don't make money while you sleep or while you're awake, you are poor. So you have to learn how to make money while you sleep, while you're awake, while you are away, while you're sick in the hospital. You should be able to be making money. Have some money machines working for you. And I've just shown you a few of them. There are many, many more that I could show you. Right now, I can just introduce this one here. This one here. So let me recap what we have done so far. We have done the number one, the dead brain. And remember this, because tomorrow I'm going to give you a quiz. No, I'm just kidding. This is your take home. Brain dead strategy. If you're joining the live now and you don't know what brain dead strategy is, go back and watch. And then we did the backdoor method. We keep it simple in the Smart Wolf Club. The backdoor method. And then we've talked about the real passive. We call it the real passive, but I'm just going to say the passive methods. Now, all these are passive, but there's something here we call passive methods, where we call copy trading as one of them. And then number four, which falls under the passive methods, which is what we are talking about, bot trading. And I just showed you a student's account that was started recently with very small money, and it is already making massive profits, like almost 89% gain in 1 month. Okay. Just copying one of the bots. The bots are placing these trades and closing these trades. All you have to do is to connect your exchange to this platform here, Mizar. There are many other platforms. Okay. There are many other platforms. I think, let's see what you get when you do a Google search. I know so many. I'm just going to introduce them one by one as we go along. Bot trading, let's call them crypto bot trading platforms. Yep, you guys can see them here. There are many. We have Coin Rule, 3 commas, very popular. Bybit, I have a lot of students on 3 commas, so we're probably going to go through that. Bybit. Now, Bybit, guys, Bybit does both. Okay, Bybit does both. Bybit is an exchange, as well as most of these exchanges do allow you to set your trading bots yourself. Okay, so that's another level where we learn about advanced level of bot trading, where you actually go and set your own bot. You give it your own test, your own liking, and you control everything that is taking place, and the bot goes out and applies exactly the instructions that you have given it: when to buy, when to close, when to get out of the market, what coins to buy, when to take profit, when to close a losing trade, when to close a winning trade. All those instructions, you put them to the bot, and you let the bot do the trading for you, so you can go wherever you want. You can go do what you like. You can go have fun. You can go party. You can go volunteer. If we have students who are doctors, they can take care of their patients. We have students who are nurses, they can take care of their patients. We have students who are tree surgeons, they can go cut their trees. We have students who are landscapers, they can go scaping their land. We have students who are stay-home moms, stay-home dads, they can take care of their families, while these machines are making you money day and night, because the crypto market is 24/7. So they will be taking the trades 24/7. Okay. So every morning you wake up, you just check your profits. Ching, 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 all the way to the bank. Crypto Hopper, okay? Bitfinex. Guys, there are so many. All I did was simple Google search, crypto bot trading platforms. Go ahead and get yourself signed up. So next time when we meet, you're giving me some, I want to hear some testimonials. 3 commas. We've used this for many, many years. A lot of our students have used 3 commas, okay? Again, you can go and sign up. I'm going to put all some of these links in the description for you guys. I've already done that. And you can see there are many. Bits Gap, okay, that's one of them. You can set your own bot and you can copy other traders. Some traders have already they are already they have already set their bot. So if you don't know how to set your own bot, you can copy somebody else's bot, which is doing well. You just do your research and you subscribe at a small fee. Maybe you profit sharing, so maybe 20, 80, you keep 80%, they take 20%. So you decide because they are managing the bot and you are benefiting for free. You just keep your money there in your exchange and they don't control your money. You're not giving somebody your money. You have full control of your money. Okay. You're not giving out your money to anybody to trade for you. No. Your money is in your exchange. You control your logins. You control everything. You don't share any of these with any of these bots. Okay, the copy traders, the traders do not have access to you. They cannot withdraw your funds. They cannot close your account. They cannot take your funds. You control your funds. All they do is they just manage the bots. Okay. If somebody is telling you, give me your funds to trade or send me a check, no, run away. Those are crooks. Okay. They're just going to scam and take your money. See, there are many, many, many bots. So now some of these are what you know as exchanges, like BingX, Kraken, Get.io. I talked about those, Bitmat. Some of these guys are actually exchanges. Like in the US, Kraken is for those guys in the US, you can join Kraken and buy your cryptos there, but you can also set bots to trade because they have a trading platform. Okay. Same thing with the, for those of you who have, let's say, a Bitcoin, no, Coinbase in the US, you can attach, if you go to 3 commas, you can hook up your Bitcoin, your Coinbase account, and the bots can start trading your funds. Okay. So you decide what type of a bot you want to join. Okay. So the other concept of passive trading is number 5. These are the lending platforms. Okay. Lending platforms. DeFi, decentralized finance platforms like Aave. Okay, so you go to Aave right here. Aave, this is just an example. There are many others. Okay, Aave. Okay, it's a DeFi, access the full power of DeFi, decentralized finance. Aave is the world's largest liquidity protocol, supply, borrow, swap, stake, and more. So under this type of lending platforms is where we talk about staking is number 6. Staking, okay, this is where you lend your coin. So if you have, let's say, Bitcoin lying in an exchange idle, you can lend your Bitcoin to the platform, and the platform is going to use your money to lend out to borrowers. In return, they give you a profit. They could be like 9.8% APR. So that means just by lending your Bitcoin, you're making 9.8% APR interest. You earn interest on your stake, whatever you stake. You stake your ETH. You can decide the period, maybe 1 year. Some of them have regulations. They're going to tell you you have to stake for 1 year. And that time they give you, let's say, 5.6% APR. Okay. So that means you just stake your Ethereum, which would be lying idle in the exchange anyway. If you're not a trader or if you're not trading it, you're just holding it. Why not give it up? Not really give it up, like stake it. It will still be there. It's for you. But 1 year later, you have a 5.6% growth guaranteed by the platform, the exchanges. So that is the lending platforms, and Aave is one of them. So if you open this app, and you can connect your wallet. Okay, so your wallet here now, this introduces the rabbit hole that I didn't want to go into. But if you don't know what a wallet is, you can check our previous trainings. Or we can do that in our next live. Okay, so let's see the show of hands. You guys want us to go about wallets, but connecting your wallet is very simple. So maybe I can have one of my students connect their wallet so you guys can see. Okay, let's see, maybe they can connect their wallet. So you just click connect. You're going to browse your wallet, and you can see my student already has MetaMask, Phantom. So whichever wallet you have, so you can, if it is your MetaMask, you can connect your MetaMask or Coinbase wallet, whatever wallet you have, and you can go ahead and put your password and it will be connected. So whatever funds you have on your wallet, you can use those to stake, to lend and earn liquidity profits. Okay, you provide liquidity, and in the process, Aave will give you profit. So staking, the same thing. You can see the opportunities here. It's not going to show us much, but you can see how much emissions are being done per day, like 822.94 million funds already in the stake. This massive amounts, okay, in the Ethereum mainnet, okay. So this is on the Ethereum ecosystem. And there are many, many others. We have the Bez ecosystem. We have the famous one, Aerodrome. So you go to Aerodrome Finance, which is this one right here. So there are many, many other. Okay, right here, swap liquidity. Okay, again, the same thing. You go to liquidity and you can provide liquidity. You connect again your wallet. And this is one of my students who just started this. And you can see already what is going on here. Active liquidity pools. They are into liquidity pools here. You can see staking for liquidity. Staking for liquidity. And you can see the APRs some of them are paying. Like this one here, 45.6%. That is extremely high. You can see that. This one is paying about 1,000 and some change percent APR. Now, again, some of these you have to look at there's something dangers of what we call impermanent loss. You could lose your assets. Some of them could be fly by night. So you have to do your own research. We're going to dive deep in this in the next lesson, guys. So we're going to end the class here, and I will see you in the next one. Stay well, my brothers and sisters, and let's share this, subscribe to the channel, like, and come back for the live. Hit the bell notification so when we go live, you're notified. Thank you, guys. We are ending this.